So we're just trying to get the dirty, disgusting spray hood off. Old fashioned one buckle that gets it off there. A series of turn studs. So now we go to the other side. So now we move on to the starboard side. Move the winch out the way. The webbing's pretty much rotten. Might be rotten, but it won't let go. So finally we've got that out of the buckle. So a small cleat on the side. So we start off, we've got to remove the sheets and lines, so take off the figure of 8, release the cam. We need to pull the ropes out before we can remove the hood. So that's got the final rope through. The hood now, once I get off the gunnels, should fold down. And you can see what a disgusting state it's in. So now each side cheek. So although it will fold down, some slide tracks that the hood needs to be slid out of. The way it's put together, the spray hood has the tubes pass through them, so it's a case of taking the metal work off, 2 screws, on each side. The hood is now free. So now we've got it off, just a case taking it back, see whether we can do anything with it. At least it's a template for a new one. Removing the frame from the old hood is quite a dismantling process. I had to take the screws out of the handrail bracket, so that leaves that free. I've slackened this here, removed the screw for this bracket for the second part of the frame, just here, because on this hood, try to avoid the sun, it's passed through pockets rather than zip pockets or velcro pockets. They're actually fully stitched, and need to do the same at this end. This one's undone, that needs to slide off. This one's undone, that needs to slide off as well. So that's undone, that's undone, they'll slide off. Then that leaves just this one rail going all the way around, which can then just be pulled out of the pockets. Partway through the process of cleaning that crusty old top. Ignore that underneath through there, that's not been done yet, neither's the hook piece, but you can see the difference if I move it over. That's some of the area I've done, and that's what it looked like beforehand. I still haven't done that area. Well, the interior of the hood is starting to dry out, and lo and behold, once all the green and muck's off it, it turns out it's originally red. We'll see what happens. I bought some blue fabric paint dye to give it a go. We'll see what happens. I might change it to red instead. I can't believe that original sailcloth top for the Sprayhood is red. Just look at it now. If you saw the other pictures, at the moment just cleaning thetis. So well-worn scrubber, a bit like me. Soapy water. And there we go. Using this fabric dye from the Scratch Doctor, red, looks pink but dries red. Apply it with a brush. I don't worry too much about the perspex. Cloth, wipe, gone. I just have to continue my way around now. This is a section that's already been done. This is the inside of the Sprayhood. Had a coating. Sorry about the shadows, it's a high level washing line. Majority of it's covered. I haven't done the original orange part there, top and bottom, because that's where the rails go through. I've still got a bottle left. If I need to, I can do it in position, so to speak. Next plan is this yellow, original yellow tape here. I'll do that with the blue, because although it looks yellow on picture, when you turn it to the other side, it's white. It's turned white. I did the inside a different way. I used a spray gun on top of the bottle in setting fine mist mode, and it covered nicely using that. Final touching up of the hood, and done all the faded trim edge in dark blue. It's not 100%, but it's good enough considering how it was. From this dirty, filthy, mossy hood to a presentable finish in red.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and there's plenty more to come.